grading this very challenging assignment based on SAT test preparation, problems involving probability and combinatorics. The answer to problem number 1 is D, 210. Now, if you had a method that involved something other than randomly choosing D, and you got D, and you feel confident, you should move on. Otherwise, you should stay tuned for the explanation of this problem. 2 players in a baseball team are to be selected as a pitcher and a catcher. If there are 15 players in the team, how many different outcomes are possible? This one's actually pretty straightforward application of either permutations or combinations. We've got 15 players. We're selecting 2. The big question is, does the order matter? Well, if one of them is going to be the pitcher and the other one's going to be the catcher, the order certainly does matter. And so if the order matters, if there's a particular order, that's a permutation. So a permutation of 15 players selected 2 at a time would be 15 factorial over 15 minus 2 factorial, or 15. What is the probability that when Mr. Colby uses his writing tablet, it will glitch? If he's using a Microsoft Office product, the probability is 100%. 15 times 14 times 13 factorial over 13 factorial. The 13 factorials cancel out because 13 factorial divided by 13 factorial is 1. And we end up with 15 times 14, which I like to think of as 14 times 15, because 15 is nice to think of as 10 and 5. 14 tens is 140, and 14 fives must be half that much, since 5 is half of 10. There you go, 210.